vast majority of the population of our country is not having the capability or ability to access to such sort of education, and even government is not in such a position to have such sort of spending in such area. In fact, at a private level, or when you're looking at in a class level, it's in upper middle class or in an elite class. This kind of interventions are happening, and uh, many such sort of uh, projects are already undergoing here. But we can't see in any foreseeable future such sort of intervention happening at the government level. Because as we know already, the government's education, the spending on education is, government is in no way is not trying to increase their expenditure. As Deshpande already said, the government is not even interested in right to education implementation. So in that context, maybe, but Kerala is a little more exception here. I think, as I already mentioned in my initial talk, I think Kerala government is actually going for such sort of open source AI platforms. But yeah, it's a need of the hour. But unfortunately, we couldn't see anything forthcoming in the current scenario.